How to set different ringtone for specific contacts on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set different ringtone for specific contacts on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your phone's app. Then head over to your contacts and search for the contact that you want to change your ringtone of. After you find the contact, what you can do is you can open that up, and now what you can do is tap on the edit option on the top right corner. After you tap on it, you can then scroll down and there you'll find the ringtone option. So now all you have to do to change the ringtone for this specific contact is select it. Then select the ringtone that you want. So here you can simply change it to the original one as well, or you can simply use whichever from all of these options. So there you can see there are a lot of different options. Select anyone. After you select anyone, you can tap on done on the top right corner and you're basically good to go. Now here you can see the ringtone has been changed, and yeah, you can also change the ringtone from here. And yeah, it's that simple. Now you can do the same for someone else, and yeah, that is how you set a different ringtone for specific contacts on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and